Something that's like a bomb.
Who you been listening to lately?
Huh?
Who you been listening to lately?
Little baby. Maybe he ain't ready for all that.
Wait, what's his album called? It's over. I knew it.
There you go.
I love Hey.
Okay, y'all, here go our vision boards. This is my best friends, and this is mine. This is gonna be the theme all year. The Dream 23. Let's get into the details. Influencer, happiness, business, college, class 23, and goals. Period. And it's all her dreams. Let's get into it real aesthetically pleasing. Period. That's who you know. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AmiyahLashae back in the cup with another YouTube video. Y'all, look at that sun. Hold on. Look at that sun. So today, y'all, I'm going to be going out with my friends. Well, we just having like we just going to do simple things like run errands and stuff. We have to go find pajamas because we are taking Christmas pictures, and then we're gonna go get smoothies and stuff like that. So why not just bring y'all along with me? Plus, y'all seen us making vision boards yesterday. So yeah, that's gonna be a part of this. So just spending the weekend with my friends. Because why not? Look at that skin. Y'all gotta get back on my skincare routine. But look, y'all, my face breaking out. But it's okay though. We gonna get to it. We gonna get back on it. So you gotta worry about that. But I'm probably see y'all when we get in a car or we get to where we going, because we don't even know where we getting the pajamas from. So yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all and we got it together.
Anyways, take this right. Yeah, it's actually not first, and you wanna like go up like this, okay? Cover that. That's what I mean.
What you doing to your face? Like, what's the whole objective? You know?
Cover my insecurities.
Okay. Right.
Look, I already told the husband. So don't make fun of me. Okay. Then you take this part and you go in a circular motion. Oh,
Who you know watching your makeup?
Nobody. I just
Figured it out.
Her Mimi.
cover my insecurities.
Right.
What you covering it with?
I
We
don't
need
know.
to know,
This
like,
foundation. Oh, concealer. And then,
what number, like, what number?
I think that's too many questions.
what number is this? 45. You just take the rest, okay, because I got this little dark spot, another insecurity. Take this and you just use whatever like left over, because it's not even my skin tone, like this is my mom. So you literally just keep doing this until you can't see it no more. And then you don't just do it in this spot because like,
Yeah, it's just going to one block up.
yeah, you know how these supposed to be. Yes. Which y'all come and pay the case too, but
It always blow right.
yeah. Okay, so you just gotta, dang, I wish I was both hands. I wish I was both hands. Okay. So you just want to flip the motion. Let me see something real quick. Okay. So then, make it do with your eyebrows, like, you know.
You gotta make it do what it do.
Okay, that's good enough for me. So then I got mascara. Okay, Boogie. That's why I hate using other people's mascara, because like they should just be making my shit hard and shit. Like, this is my favorite. Like this is A1. Coach Taylor, that hardcore shit.
Hardcore. Period.
Hardcore.
And then
We're just gonna keep it like this.
you do your lashes.
Right.
You're not watching my YouTube channel.
Because it's getting too 3D for me. It was touching me.
Yeah, I'll come out the camera.
Oh,
I'll
shit.
make the TV screen.
Oh, shit.
You get a little too carried away.
Oh, why are you screaming? Turn this off.
This is what she do.
I'm gonna turn this off. I don't watch this no more.
Don't turn the channel. Don't turn the channel. Okay. We just don't start with the mascara. Hold on, no minute.
Say hi, Jazz.
Hey guys.
And hi, Carrie. So, we decided to come to Target. But everybody and their mama want to be in Target today. But hopefully we find some pajamas. Fingers crossed.
Let's get Starbucks.
I thought we was going to get food. I thought we was going to get food. Food or Starbucks. It has to be either or. Who got money for both? You got money for both?
No.
Oh, okay. But you want to get both.
Barely got money to get here.
You barely got money to get pajamas.
They got food here. Let's eat some pizza.
She don't want to.
Straight to the back.
She don't want to eat good on this good Sunday. She don't want to eat good on this good Sunday. She's too busy on that phone.
Look at them door.
Boom, pajamas right here.
Uh-oh.
These are pajamas we seen too that we said we liked on what you call it. Yeah, it was on Boohoo.
Ooh, pink slime.
Y'all want to do socks, like fuzzy socks?
Okay, that's all they got. Those are pants. No, those are sets. What is this set?
No, I think these just pants. Yeah, them
they
just
say
pants. These is robes.
These are pink and chicken.
All of them just robes and shirts.
Yeah.
And none of them bottoms.
Freaking cute. You have to get kid pajamas.
Well, you have to find them first. Because them like dresses.
Yeah, these.
That says 3T.
Oh,
We're not getting in
we
there.
gotta put our finger in there. You know what I like.
And then it's just no more.
Oh. Okay, go to the back. We can wear kid size, right? Oh, these are cute. They remind me of the Grinch.
And no, I want to do the whole pajama thing. I was gonna say we can do the pants with the crop top,
This is a pack
but
of socks. I got a man that want a pack of socks?
girl, bye.
Guess not. Oh, they got some more right here.
So we found our pajama sets, but now I just know we're going to get snacks. And then after here, we have to go find socks at the beauty supply store because y'all know. Sure, we can. Oh God.
No chicken tenders, boys.
Let's go look at some Christmas stuff, you know. Because that'll make more sense. Girl, shut up.
She look a mess. How should she get that together? Oh, that would be cute.
Yeah, well, but she's not going to act right, and you know that.
Her ears are tan.
She's just not going to act right.
Her ears are and I'm not.
It's gonna be a long, cold winter. You with a stone cold sinner. You got no regrets. Know how it goes. Smiling, being happy. thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend with my friends. Because y'all never see my friends. Y'all really never see me with nobody on here. It's just really myself. So y'all got an inside scoop of my friends and what they kind of like, whatever. Of course, there's going to be some more videos coming with them. Because, yeah. Plus, we got our little photo shoot. So, of course, we're going to give y'all an inside scoop of our photo shoot. Of course. But y'all, look. I hung up my vision board, because why not? And it looks so stinking good over here. I was gonna put it over there by my Christmas tree, but when I take the Christmas tree down, it's like gonna be in an awkward place, so I didn't want to put it right there. But yeah, and remember back up here, it's actually my pajamas. Let me show y'all. Oh, excuse me, our pajamas that we got. At Target. They came in this, well, I actually already opened them, but they came in this little bag. Okay. And that's the print that we got right here. I guess that's what, I don't know. Hopefully these shorts fit, because I got an extra small. Is this little long sleeve, and then of course it comes with the shorts. Okay, so but okay, these little look like boxers, don't they? They got the little button on the front or whatever, but we got them in an extra small because it was either gonna be extra small. Oh, they're not that bad. These are actually cute. They are cute. Look at them. They cute. So yeah, it's gonna be cute. I thought it was gonna be too small because y'all know I come with a wagon back. Duh. But this is gonna be really cute. And y'all, of course, I gotta change up my hairstyle for the pictures, so I gotta do that too. See, I can get the whole the little rundown or whatever. I'm gonna do like a prepare with me and a vlog for it. Depends on how I feel. But yeah, that's really all I got to show y'all for today. In the last clip, y'all seen that we had got food or whatever. I really couldn't talk to y'all because they had their music blasting. That music was so loud, like you could barely even hear a conversation with the person beside you. So yeah, no, I wasn't finna do that. But I definitely let y'all see that food because that food was busting. I gave my buffalo chicken dip because that's what I got. I never ate that before. My best friend ate that before. But I give my buffalo chicken dip a 10 out of 10. It was so bomb. Like so bomb. But like I said, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. And peace to the Middle East. And I'll see you guys next week.